Hello, welcome to my 15-minute journal challenge. I am on challenge 4. This challenge, of course, is inspired by Johanna. If you are following along with her challenges and you complete, please go ahead and hashtag journal 15-minute challenge. And that way she can take a look at yours and I can see it as well. Okay, so let's get started. On the 4th challenge, the requirement is to make a grid. Just sort of block off any size that you want and make a grid. So what I am going to do is put one right here. But before I get started, I've already cut some paper and I want to go ahead and glue that here. So let me take care of that right now. Okay, I have this area glued down nice. And now I'm going to do the actual grid. And what I want to do is just grid it off in washi tape. So I have this cute little mushroom washi tape. Looks like this one's crooked. Let me fix this. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I made some sections here and I am going to add some of these stickers in between. So these are super cute little coffee beans and different type of coffee in mugs and iced coffee, all kinds of coffee. Okay, let me see if I can't open this. Oh, I forgot to start my timer. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and start that. And it's okay. I don't mind. I hope you don't mind. Give or take a few minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, so we're going to put some coffee beans here. And these stickers are so tiny, they're kind of hard to get the sticker off the backing. But if you fold it, you can kind of see the crease here better. Here it is. And now we have some coffee. It's like a cute little coffee pot. The majority of my time is going to be taken by trying to peel these stickers. But that's okay. There we go. So this coffee grid goes really well with the saying next to it, where it says, all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. And of course that is by Gandalf the Grey. And what better way to decide what to do with our time than drinking coffee. So I thought that was pretty good. With these stickers, you kind of have to fold them to get them to separate. It's not an easy task. It's actually an aggravating task. That's okay. There we go. This looks like a chocolate iced coffee. That looks good. I love iced coffee. That's one of my go-to coffees. I also have been starting to drink at Starbucks the Nitro Cold Brew. It's like super, super cold. And then I add the sweet cream and it is so delicious. So I actually had one of those today and I'll probably have one tomorrow. But I like warm coffee, hot coffee. I usually get an iced coffee. Oh no, it's crooked. Oh well, it can stay. Okay, I have one more coffee to choose. Which one should I put here? I like the latte. That looks good. How about this one? How much time do I have? I'm doing great. I have 6 minutes. Yay! It'll probably take me 5 minutes to get this peeling off. And here we go. And here is my challenge. So let's see how I did. 5 minutes to spare. Okay, so I'm super excited, and if you want to stay with me, I am going to add something right here. So my challenge is over, and now I get to have fun. Not that that wasn't fun, but you know, it's got a timer, so I was adding a little pressure. So this, I can just relax a little bit more. Throughout the day, my husband and I, when he's at work and I'm doing the things that I need to be doing, I'm sure like a lot of you, with your friends or your loved ones, we text throughout the day. My husband, at lunchtime, he usually goes and gets a coffee. And so one of the things, I love doing a lot of I like emojis, but I also like sending, I don't know what they're called. My sons always laugh at me. I call them memes or memes, and they're like, that's not how you say it, but, well, that's how I say it. So anyways, one time I had found this one, and I sent it to my husband when I knew it was time for him to go get his coffee. And this actually moves. He like dances. And so I just thought that was super cute. So I want to go ahead and put this here. It just makes me laugh. How about like that? Okay. Okay, and I want to add something here on this page. Take this right here. Keep that shut for a little bit. I want to put this paper and cover up this white. Let me trim this down a bit. I will be right back. Okay, here we go. So this washi tape, it blends, it doesn't really stand out. I kind of wanted that because I had some extra white showing, and I also used it on this piece here. So I thought it was kind of neat. Since this is the first page of my journal, I thought it would be nice to use this picture of my YouTube icon, which is this fairy for Sugar Hiccups. Since this is a fairy tale journal, when I purchased it from Johanna, Fairy Tales and Weddings, I think it was. And so the little fairy looks cute. So I wanted to put that there. I'm going to use this little image here. It says the magic of the forest. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.